Everyone kept talking about this herb. But I didn't pay attention. I thought, it's just a trend. But the day I finally tried it, I was shocked. My hair felt different. That's when I decided to trust it. You've been dealing with hair fall. Your scalp feels itchy. Your hair looks thinner than it used to. And you've probably tried product after product, serums, oils, masks, all promising results but doing almost nothing. But what if the answer wasn't hidden in a fancy bottle with a high price tag? What if it was a simple herb you've ignored 100 times? Rosemary is that herb, and it might just change everything for your hair. Benefits and properties. Rosemary boosts blood circulation in your scalp, sending more oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicles. It wakes up inactive roots, strengthens strands, soothes itchiness, and even helps with flakiness and oil control. It's like giving your scalp exactly what it's been craving. DIY recipe. Instead of buying overpriced rosemary oils loaded with fillers and perfumes, you can make your own, pure, affordable, and just as powerful. Step by step. Start with the star ingredient, rosemary. This magical herb fuels hair growth. Take a handful of fresh rosemary or 2 tablespoons of dried rosemary. Now, use the double boiler method. Place a small pot of water on the stove. Now add it to 1 cup of your favorite carrier oil, olive, almond, coconut, or jojoba oil. These oils deeply nourish and carry the rosemary's benefits to your roots. Then place your bowl of oil and rosemary inside it. This helps gently heat without burning. Simmer on low heat for 20 to 30 minutes until the oil is fully infused and aromatic. Let it cool, strain the rosemary, and pour the oil into a clean glass bottle. Your most powerful and effective rosemary oil is ready. Tips. Store in a cool, dark place. Shake before each use. Always patch test before applying. How to use. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Apply a few drops directly to your scalp. Massage gently to boost circulation and help the oil absorb deeply. Leave it overnight or wash it out after an hour. When you rinse, you'll feel the softness. And with consistency, you'll start noticing baby hairs, stronger strands, and reduced shedding. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest. And rosemary might just be the herb your hair has. Save this video. Share it with someone who's struggling with hair loss. Subscribe to Blooming Living and follow for more natural beauty that truly works. See you next time.